Dear students, next part of trigonometry is the ratios of the complementary angle. Okay, complementary angle, that means if this is a right angle triangle, say it is A, it is B, this one is C, and right angle at B, then sine A, what do you find? What do you know? That perpendicular by hypotenuse, is not it? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, sine A, that means BC by AC. Okay, now see here, complementary angles are, which one are complementary angle? Angle A and angle C, because if angle B is 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. So A and C are complementary angle. Okay. Now, if you have to find sine 90 degree minus A, that means what is the meaning of sine 90 degree minus A? This angle plus this angle, angle A plus angle C is 90 degree. So, sine 90 degree minus A, that means 90 degree minus A, which angle? This angle C. So, this one equal to cos A. This is a formula. You find some formulas from this complementary angle, and the formulas are this one. Sine 90 minus A is cos A, cos 90 minus A sine A. So, like that you find 6 formulas are there. Okay. Now come, how can you use this formula? Say this one. Evaluate tan 65 degree cot 25 degree. Okay. Now see, you don't know the value of this one and this one. 65 you don't know the value, 25 you don't know the value. Okay. So for that you have to convert any one to another one using this formula. So what you know? Tan is related to cot. See the formula, tan is related to cot. Okay. Cos is related to sine, cosec is related to sec. So anyone you have to convert it to another one. So see this one. Cot A, you know, tan 90 minus A from formula. Cot 25, this one also you can convert to the tan. So tan 90 minus 25. Okay. Because this A, in place of A, it is 25 degrees. So tan 90 minus 25 is 65 degree. So always remember, you have to convert this one or this one. Any one you have to convert to cancel. Now you converted to cot 25 is tan 65 degree. A convert ho gaya. Okay. Now you put the values. Tan 65 by cot 25. So tan 65 cot 25, what you find? Tan 65. So tan 65. After cancellation, what you find? This is 1. Okay. See another example. This one. Sin thrice A equal to cos A minus 26, where thrice A is an acute angle. Find the value of A. What is given here? Sin thrice A equal to A minus 26 degree. So this one you can convert it to cos using the formula. So sin thrice A equal to cos 90 degree minus thrice A. Clear? So cos 90 degree minus thrice A equal to cos A minus 26. मतलब sin thrice A के जगह क्या लिखा? Cos 90 minus thrice A. So this equal to this you find. So from both the sides you can cancel cos and cos. So from there, after cancellation, what you find the equation? This one and this one. So this equal to this. From this relation you can find the value of A. Okay. See another one. Express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. मतलब ये दोनों के बीच में तुम लोगों को रेशियो निकालना है. Now see cot 85 degree. This one you can 85, how can you write? Cot 90 minus 5 degree. Okay. 75, how can you write? 90 minus 15 degree. So cot 90 minus 5 degree is tan A plus cos 90 minus 15 degree is sin A. So ये डिग्री कहाँ तक आया? 0 से 45 के बीच में आया. So you have to convert it like that. Okay. Now see the next part. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. So from here you can find many more formulas. See. First formula is cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. Clear? Cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. How can you prove this formula? See. This is a right angle triangle ABC where it is right angle at B. Clear? So from this is a right angle triangle, from the Pythagoras theorem, what you can write? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That means square of the sum of the other two sides equal to hypotenuse. Now dividing both sides by AC square. So divide करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा? AB by AC, BC by AC, AC by AC. AC square by AC square, this side you find 1. Now see AB by AC. Which one is AB by AC? AB by AC. Clear? A. If you have to find the A, okay, that means you take the diagram in your side. If you take the diagram in your side, which angle you have to take, then you find that BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. Clear? BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So AB by AC, base by perpendicular. तो यहाँ पर क्या मिला? Base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular is what? Cos. So cos square A. BC by AC. It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sorry, यहाँ पर क्या बोला था? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. Sorry. AB is the base here. AB is the base here. So base by hypotenuse it is cos. Perpendicular by hypotenuse it is sine. So cos square A plus sine square A, what you find? This is equal to 1. Okay. So formula क्या मिला? Formula मिला cos square A plus sine square A equal to 1. This is the formula. From this formula you can find another formulas. See. Cos square A equal to 1 minus sine square A. Or you can find sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So like that, from every formula you can find another some formulas are there. Okay. So you have to find like this and you have to apply these formulas in the sums. See. Next is 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. How can you prove it? Similar way. And this time you have to divide all the sides by AB. Clear? So after that what you find? AB by AB is 1. BC by AB, that means perpendicular by base, is tan. Clear? Hypotenuse by base is sec. So from there you find this formula, and from this formula you can derive another formulas also. Okay. Third one is cot square A plus 1 equal to cosec square A. This is another formula. Now this time by what you have to divide? By the perpendicular. In all the terms, you have to divide by the perpendicular. After that, you find this one, AB by BC. That means base by perpendicular, it is equal to cot. BC by BC equal to 1. AC by BC hypotenuse, by perpendicular it is cosec. Okay. So from there you can find this formula, and from this formula you can derive other formulas also. Okay. Now see this example. Express the ratios cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sin A. मतलब ये cos A, tan A और sec A को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? sin A में कन्वर्ट करना है. कैसे? Using this formula. You know this cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. From this formula what you find? Cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Clear? Cos A equal to plus minus root over 1 minus sin square A. Okay. So from here you find this one. Again you see ये cos में convert हो गया. ठीक है. ये cos A sin में convert हो गया. This cos A converted to sin. Okay. Now this tan you have to convert it to sin also. So here tan A, you know the formula, sin A by cos A. Sin A, cos A you can write root over 1 minus sin square A from here. So ये convert हो गया. tan किस में convert हो गया? sin में convert हो गया. Next sec, इसको भी sin में convert हो गया करना है. So sec A you know equal to 1 by cos A from previous formulas also. 1 by cos A. And also cos A equal to root over 1 minus sin square A. So 1 by root over 1 minus sin square A. So like that you have to use the formulas to do these sums. Okay. See this one. You have to prove this type of questions. There is no hard and fast rule to do these sums, this exercise. So you have to practice this exercise and you have to remember the formulas also. Okay.